And coming to the uniqueness. So what you have to remember is uniqueness, the serial number uniqueness or lot number uniqueness, and generation, and the pattern, how you are generating the pattern. The serial number or lot number pattern. These three things are important for these two concepts. Can I proceed to the next topic?
Yes.
Next topic is a small topic, that is revision control. Locator control, you know already. At the time of enterprise structure, under the sub inventories, we created locators, right? That's a locator topic. And revision control. We'll discuss revision control. So for our item, we can generate the revisions. Product management, product information management. So we already created this item. Okay, so for this item, under Hyderabad, what I'm doing, I'm going to create a revision. So what is a original revision? 0. Okay, I'll create a new revision. Go to actions and click on manage revision. Sir, what is revision example? Revision example is nothing but, suppose if you take iPhone 13 or iPhone 11, it has got different revisions. iPhone 11 is the product, but it has got different revisions, nothing but iPhone mini, okay, Max or Pro Max. So different revisions are there. Are iPhone Plus. So for the same item, we can create multiple revisions. Why we are creating multiple revisions is nothing but to reduce the cost or to improve the quality or whatever the business reason. If you go to actions, if you click on manage revisions, so this is the original version. So I'm not changing anything. And I'm creating a new version called 1, and I'm creating this as mini. And what is the reason? Cost reduction, the effectivity date. So already, what is the system time? Right now it is taking 8:10. System time. Let me select. It's not allowing you to take the back time. Maybe I'll select 8:13. Okay. So like this, I can create multiple revisions and I can put the effective date also. I selected mini, and then what is the revision reason? Cost reduction. Okay. Like this, you can create a Max or Pro Max or whatever, multiple revisions. Save and close. And again, save and close. And also, not only creating a revision, what we should do is, we should, under the inventory, we should enable revision control to yes. Here under the inventory, where is that? It's here. Okay. Revision control, select to yes. Because we want to control these items using the revision numbers. So you should select this also yes. And that's it. Now save the item. Now I'll show you how these revisions are. Oh, it says you have a on hand. That's why you're not allowed to update. Okay, we'll create a new item. We'll define a new item. I'm creating a new item. We'll take the same example, iPhone example itself. Okay. Or iPhone 11. Let's put iPhone 11.
No, you selected wrong. I
And,
mean, no, it has to be a quantity class, right? Primary unit of measure. It has to be from quantity 1 class.
okay. Now I'm just simply creating the item and assigning to the inventory order. I'm assigning to inventory order. Okay. And I'm going to create the revision numbers at this org level. The revision control is specific to the org. So I would like to create revision numbers specific to this org. So what I'll do is after saving, I'll open the item under Hyderabad org. How to open? I can click on association. I can go here. So here under the Hyderabad org, I will generate the serial numbers. Sorry, revision numbers. Go to manage revisions and enter revision number 1, meaning cost reduction and then effectivity date. So right now it is 8/14. So enter some 2-3 minutes future effective date. So from 3 minutes future time that I entered here. Let's put it. Okay. And from the specifications, make sure you are entering the revision control to yes. How many revisions I created for this item? 2 revisions. Along with the original revision, 2 revisions I created. Revision control also I selected to yes. Okay. Now, how these revision numbers are used? Okay, I'll show you. So simply, whenever you are trying to use that item, it will ask you which revision you want to use. That's it. I'll show you. I'm going to the miscellaneous receipt screen. So here, do you see revision field? No, right? So from the view, enable the revision field to your view. Revision. Here it is. It will display all the 3 revisions. So for which revision you want to perform the transaction. Okay. Second revision is nothing but this is iPhone plus. Correct? 2 is nothing but iPhone plus.
Yes.
Clear? If any item is revision control item, when you are using that item, you have to select the revision number for that item. Okay, good.
Yes.
One question here. So when we, especially for the finished good item, when we ship against sales order, So will system give us the same option that, okay, what are those revision number you
Yes.
want to ship?
Yes,
Or it will always ship the latest one?
it will give the options at the time
Okay.
of booking itself. So
Okay.
when the shipping comes, after booking the sales order, right? At the time of booking the sales order itself, customer has asked for which revision of the product.
Okay. Got it. Thank you.
So there is one question, sir. Yesterday, you remember while creating the item, you have shifted from sequence generated to user defined yesterday.
Yeah, item number.
Yes, sir. So, sir, why
Mhm.
is there any problem while creating in sequence generated? Because now we are creating user manually, so we have to write the names, which item we
Whatever
have.
yeah, there is a problem. What happens, sir? So the sequence, the students are updating again.
Okay.
Okay. What is happening is, suppose where if I enter the sequence as RM100, so after creating the item, that item is going to have that sequence RM100.
Yes, sir.
The next sequence it will display there like RM101.
Yes, sir.
What students are doing is they're again updating to RM100 when they are practicing.
Okay, sir.
So when you try to create an item, then it is trying to take that same sequence RM100 and it's throwing error that already there is an item exists with the same number.
Okay, sir. So, so while practicing, we have to change from sequence generated to user.
No, it's your wish, sir. You know, whatever you want,
No,
you can use it.
No, but we would also face the same problem then.
I think your item classes won't touch by the students.
Okay,
because
sir.
my item classes students are going to touch because when they are practicing, they may confuse and they watch the video, right? When they're watching the video, whatever the item class that I used, there is a chance they can do something on my item class.
Okay, sir, fine. So I can work with a sequence generated.
Anything, sequence generated, user defined, anything you can use.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Since students are modifying my item class, that the item numbering sequence, I change it to user defined.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, you use your entities. Don't use anything with RX.
Okay,
So I have one query. So for revision controlled item, can be maintain different item structure if this is the
Yes,
manufacturing enabled?
correct. Yes, of course it is. It is. Yes, if it is a component or raw material item, which revision you are using to manufacture the finished good or semi-finished good, you can select when you are creating a bill or when you are creating a structure.
Okay, sir.
That's about inventory control stuff. Tomorrow I'll discuss one of the cycle counting method. I'll discuss with you physical counting.
So tomorrow we have class.
Tomorrow Saturday, right?
Yeah.
Okay, tomorrow I'll take the class.
Okay.
Tomorrow we have class 10. So I'll review your practice status maybe tomorrow. Because I got some personal problems. I have to attend some other calls. My house renters are giving trouble to me from my hometown. I am fighting with them from the morning onwards.
Okay.
Yeah, so I'll stop the session by now. I'll see you tomorrow. Okay.
Okay, Krishna.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Have a
Thank
good
you.
day.
Bye.
Yeah. Bye, everyone.